Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are doing good. You are okay and you are healthy at your house. So today students, we will discuss about the BL and CL consonants sounds. Okay, are you ready? Okay, one more time. Are you ready? Okay, very good students. Let's start. Okay, now students, what is a blend? What is a blend? Okay, a blend is a phonics blend occurs when you have two or more letters appearing together. Each sound that each consonant would normally make. Okay, again, can you read the red highlighted word? When you have two or more letters appearing together, that is a blend. Okay, next one, students. For this one, students, how many blends does L have? How many blends does L have? Okay, we have the GL, SL, and BL. Okay, again, we have the GL, SL, and BL. And the other side is BL, CL, and FL. Okay, so a total of how many? 6. Okay, 6 blend. L blend. Blends, yes. Next is this one. I will give you some BL words. Okay. This one is some vocabulary words of BL. Okay, BL. Okay, let's start. We have the black, blade, blame, blank, blanket, blue, blind, and blown. Okay, next is we have the blink, blob, block, blog, blonde, blood, bloom, and blue. Okay, these are the BL words. Okay, now students, let's make a sentence using the BL words. Okay, using the BL words, we will make a sentence. Okay, this one. The color of the sky is, again students, can you read it? The color of the sky is what? Blue. Okay, very good. The color of the sky is color blue. Okay, next one. This one. It is very cold. Do you have a what? Again. It is very cold. Do you have a blanket? Okay, very good. Do you have a blanket? Okay, next one is we will go to the CL words. Okay, this one. I will give you the words that we use CL blends. Okay, the first is clown, cloth, cloud, class, clean, clay, claw, and clip. Okay, next one is we have the clock, clinic, club, clash, clue, cliff, click, and climb. Okay, that is the examples of the CL words. Okay, next, let's make a sentence using the CL words. Okay, this one. He is a very funny what? He is a very funny clown. Okay, very good. That is a very funny, or he is a very funny clown. Next one is, okay, this one. Blank is a device that tells time. Again, blank, a device that tells time. What is that, students? That is a clock. Okay, that is a clock. Very good. Next one. We will go to the activity time. Okay, this one, students, I will give you 5 seconds to think what is the answer. Okay, for this one, let us read first. Read the clues and choose the L blend to complete the words. Again, students, I will give you 5 seconds to think and answer what is the blends. Okay, let's start. For this one, a flower does this. A flower does this. Okay, 5 seconds starts now. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is bloom. Okay, B-L, bloom. Next one. You do this when you do this with your hands. Again, you do this with your hands. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, students, the answer is what? The answer is clap. Okay, the answer is clap. Okay, can you clap your hands? Okay, very good. Next one. You can see this in the sky. You can see this in the sky. Okay, timer starts now. Okay, that is a clouds. Okay, clouds. Very good, students. Can you clap your hands? Okay, next one is the color of my hair. Again, the color of my hair. Okay, the color of my hair is color black. Okay, very good, students. And the last one is, you go here if you feel something bad. Again, you go here if you feel something bad. Okay, that is a okay, very good. That is a clinic. Okay, so students, that is for this today's topic. And now again, next time is we will discuss about the FL and PL consonant sounds. Okay. Did you enjoy the activity? Okay. Next time we will do that again. Okay. That is it for now, students. See you again next time. Goodbye.